Menteri Rangba ke Jela Ukanrat Sangma, ha ke Sautrik Unailur Arajar Arpusau Ulong ba Kwah ban Kynthoh Eiei, ya ke Jingkren ki Seng Sain Pyrthei ki badai na ke Liang Pyrshah. Bat ulong ba ke MDA ke don Saupusan ngut ki MLA ki ba Kynthoh ya ki MLA ke NPP, ke UDP, ke HSPDP bat ke BJP, bat minta belawan penyeso salai ngut ki MLA ke Kongres, kelanang kam skem shushu, ban ai ke jingshakri ki pajba nong shong shnong jong ke jela.
As I said, it just sounds like a more of a desperate statement coming out to maybe instill confidence among his own people and his own party. But the fact that today the coalition has got almost 45 MLAs even before these three MLAs joined in, and most of the coalition partners are very committed to the coalition, and we are also equally committed to them. And in spite of, as I said, the commitment that has been given by the coalition partners, that is there, that includes, as I said, many even independents are there. Larger parties like the UDP is there, and other BJP and other political parties, HSPDP, all are there. So we are not at all in a desperate position, as mentioned. In fact, this has strengthened us. Today, we are at a point where the NPP has its majority. But as I said, that does not mean that we are, in any way, looking at it from any arrogant point of view. No, we are very humbled. I mentioned this in my speech also, that I'm humbled by the joining of these leaders. I'm humbled by their trust on the government and on the party, and for them coming in and joining us. And as I said, it is nothing but a clear message of confidence in this government, clear message of confidence in the leadership, clear message of confidence in the National People's Party, and that is how I look at it. Whatever the other points that the opposition is mentioning, I really don't have any comments to make on it. They will be in a better position to reply. Yeah, your question, yes.
Following the trouble,
we have already written also myself. I've already met the Home Minister in this, and in my last meeting I've already mentioned, and I've got a categorical reply and message from him. Nobody will be allowed to enter our borders. I mean, one or two incidents here and there are different issues, but we're not going to see any kind of a formal or a kind of a large-scale immigration or movement of people from Bangladesh coming in. We are hopeful that the situation is now on the improving side, I should say. It's not deteriorating. Still tense, but it is, I should say, slightly more stable compared to what it was initially. We are also seeing the trade normalizing at the border area also, so these are good signs. So I don't expect that we will see any major challenges in the coming days, but we should be alert, we should be careful. I also want to share with you that I'll be going to Delhi for the GST Council meeting, which is on the 9th. During this visit of mine for the GST Council meeting, I will be once again meeting the Honorable Home Minister, and I will be stressing on the need to strengthen and re-sanction and re-allot more projects for the border area development. So this is, in fact, we've just finalized the memorandum today. I'm sharing it with you because you asked this question. Details of the memorandum I cannot share. Once I submit it there, I will give a small press release on it. But we are also moving on that line because it's not just about sealing the borders, it's about economically strengthening our borders, infrastructures, overall facilities for the people living in the border area. So whatever we've done in the past, I think maybe we need to do a bit more now, keeping the situation in mind and the overall fluid situation that we have out there. So yes, all of these are being taken into consideration, but as I said, I do expect that we'll be able to, the situation will improve. Trade has started in many locations, and we hope that things will start normalizing.